Hey everyone, it's Laura from ClickFix, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the from URL shortcode. This shortcode can be very useful to customize a landing page based on a campaign using UTM terms. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io. And once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page. And the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes. And you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So what I did here is I created a blog with an email subscription form, and I'm going to use UTM terms to fill out this text so it's customized based on the target user. So the format of the code is that you type on brackets what you want to customize. So it starts from URL, this is the shortcode, then UTM content. So it's going to search for the UTM content on the URL, and if there isn't a value for UTM content, it's going to write people. The value that you want to display if there is no UTM term has to be on quotes. Then it continues from URL, UTM term, or countries around the world. Are getting amazing results from URL, UTM campaign, or product. And you can continue to customize your page if the URL has, for example, the name of the user, if it's coming from an email campaign, and if it doesn't find the name, it's going to type you. Then it continues, and even I added the UTM term product or UTM campaign on the submit button. So that's basically everything that you need. And if you publish the page, you're going to see how it looks like if there isn't a UTM URL. So this is a page without any URL terms. So it's people from countries around the world are getting amazing results from this product. But if I paste a link that contains UTM terms, it's going to change that. So now you can see women from Canada are getting amazing results from this amazing supplement. So as you can see here, the UTM campaign is amazing supplements. Then the UTM term is Canada, and the UTM content is women. So I hope that this is useful, and remember that if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Thank you for watching.